Hey, it's Tony talking CarBiz, and today's test drive, I've got a brand new 2021 Toyota RAV4 XSE Hybrid all-wheel drive. So this is the top of the line in the Toyota RAV4 in terms of the sports edition, the RAV4 XSE Hybrid. And we'll go ahead and get started. But before we do, I want to point out this does have a unique gauge cluster that's only available on the XSE. You probably can't see it on camera, but it's a complete digital readout in terms of the information center, the fuel, the trip computer, the safety sense settings. Of course, you do have all your fingertip controls right here on the steering wheel. We've got a leather wrap steering wheel. This has the upgrade package with the heated steering wheel. We've got a fantastic JBL infotainment system, which does have, it's giving you the outside temperature. So it's 60 degrees outside right now. Gorgeous day in Madison. We've got the dynamic navigation system on here as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa compatible. Automatic temperature control for front driver, front passenger. Heated seats up front. Wireless charging for my smartphone down here. We have our off-road settings for our trail mode, our snow, our normal, eco. Just loaded, top of the line Toyota RAV4, super popular. The list price on this one is about as high as I've seen on the XSE, $39,000 list price. And check out that fuel economy, 40 miles per gallon. That's awesome. We're going to take it out for a spin. I'll tell you what I think about it. We'll head out, hit the road. Let's get started. Got the camera tilted down so you could see the dash right away, but I'm going to go ahead and bring that camera up so you can see out the front and see the driving compartment and situation as well. So let's get started. One thing I noticed right away that I appreciate is the sound of the blinkers is not annoying. It's much more muffled than some of the other Toyotas. Toyotas have all kinds of warning chimes and beeps and clicks and all kinds of stuff going on. I would say they're probably, in fact, I've said this before, they're the most beepy cars on the road, always beeping, always clicking about something. So for me, that gets a little bit annoying, but I understand the safety aspect of it. There should be a setting that the driver can set to turn off all that stuff from beeping and chiming. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to head up onto the highway here, and I'm going to go ahead and switch this into my sport mode. So sport mode gives me a red indicator up on the dashboard, and this is going to give me the best acceleration. So let's see what we've got. Wow. So I do have to say the acceleration is phenomenal in the XSE Hybrid. This is one of the fastest 0 to 60 time vehicles Toyota offers. So very quick. So there's not much crosswind today as we're driving down the highway here. I'm going to peg in right here at 63 miles an hour, and then I'm just going to shut up so you can hear the wind noise. But before I do that, I want you to know that my camera is actually mounted to the sunroof, so I've got the visor open letting the sun come in, and so you can really hear how quiet this vehicle is out on the road. So I'll go ahead and let you give it a listen here. So as far as the ride goes, clearly this is a super smooth highway, so it's fresh asphalt, so not really bumpy, not a lot of road noise, very quiet. On the concrete it does pick up a little bit of road noise. Back on the asphalt it's like driving on a magic carpet. The RAV4 has huge outside mirrors, so I can see my blind spots really well. But then we also have blind spot monitoring, so there's a light that illuminates out in the mirror to let me know if somebody's in my blind spot, which somebody is right now. So they're going to pass by and you'll see that light will go off. Now we do have Safety Sense P, so we have lane tracing, we have dynamic radar cruise control, pedestrian detection, pre-collision, all of the top-of-the-line safety features that you'd find in a Toyota. Also has road sign detection, so here it's showing me on the dashboard or on the infotainment center and on the dashboard the speed limit's 55 miles per hour. I'm still in sport mode. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to eco mode. So with the eco mode, the indicator on the dashboard turns green. So I have a visual that I'm in eco mode, and performance is still pretty darn good. Wow, the front end actually rose up and pulled me sideways. That's interesting. I don't think I've experienced that before. Even though I switched to eco mode, it automatically moved over to power mode or sport mode when I accelerated. Let's give that a try again here. Oh yeah, it definitely brings up the front end and takes off. So the center stack does not obstruct my view out the front at all. I can see perfectly out the front of the vehicle. Visibility is really, really nice on the RAV4 with the power sliding moonroof, letting the sun in. It's really bright inside here. It's not, the light gray and the dark gray of the dashboard. It's not hard on your eyes. Not a lot of reflection off the dashboard. A little bit, but nothing major. Definitely a smooth ride. The handling on the XSE is the sportier handling, so you don't get as much body roll when you're kind of making fast maneuvers. And I'm not going to turn on the radio. I'm not going to play any music. The main reason is YouTube is listening, and I can get a copyright strike if I turn on the radio, so I'm not going to turn that on. I wish I could, but I'm not going to. There are speakers up here in the A pillars for the JBL audio system, and then there's a subwoofer all the way in the back as well. Of course, we do have USB charging up front. We have wireless charging. I've got my phone down here for the wireless charging, but you do have USB ports, also traction control, fog lights up front, automatic high beams, intermittent washer wiper for front and rear, and this does have the electronic front window de-icer as well, part of the upgrade package. This one also has the electronic rear view mirror, so it's almost like a computer monitor, if you will, so you can switch it on and off, and it uses the backup cameras. There's an extra camera back there for that mirror as well, so if you stack up a bunch of cargo behind there and block the mirror, you can switch over to the virtual mirror and you can still see out the back of the vehicle, so that comes in really handy. It also can come in really handy for trailer towing. So yes, you can trailer tow with the RAV4 Hybrid. The trailer hitch is something that the dealer could install for you if that's what you're looking for. But this really is the top of the line in the luxury leather wrap shifter. As I said before, a heated leather wrap steering wheel, and all the bells and whistles, all the toys as well. So just wanted to give you a quick test drive in this new 2021 RAV4 XSE Hybrid. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put that in the comments down below. And then if you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. and turn on the notifications if you want to get more videos like this. I want to thank Smart Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin for letting me use the vehicle to do this quick test drive video. I really appreciate it. This is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.